We also offer hormone replacement therapy. So let's say you're going through menopause and you're hot, you're cold, you're sweaty, you're irritable, you're gaining weight, low energy, fatigue. Hormone replacement therapy, specifically pellet injections, can turn your life around. It's literally a game changer. It's not a pill or a patch that you have to take every day. It's injected into the fat of the skin, and it slowly dissolves over time. It can last up to 3 months. It's been around for about 40 years now, and women are doing great with it. So we offer that as well in the office. And let's say hormone replacement is not the right option for you. Let's say you're not interested in that. That's not the option you want. There are a myriad of other options that we can explore for you to get you where you need to be. One thing you can trust about me is that I will find a solution for you. You can book with us at dardurmedical.com. We'd be happy to see you. So give us a chance to be a blessing to you.